This is why you cannot be busy all the time. If you're going to be somebody who's going to create a sustainable, a life by design, a business by design, a path by design, you need to take time out to think, take time out to process, which means that throughout the week, take a look at your calendar. How much time do you have? For example, on my calendar, I have buffers. So today, after this, I do have a short buffer, 30 minutes, which I need to reset because it takes a lot out of me when I do these sessions. As much as I get energized, but it also drains you because I'm working through this. After that, I have a call with my business partner. We're planning on a master class for Monday for our coaches group. But then after that, I have a buffer where I'm just going to go for a walk and I completely reset, and I'll reevaluate what's happening today, and I'll look at my calendar. Like, that's a thinking process. And then once a week, I'll spend a couple hours just looking at what happened on my calendar. Are these things useful for me? Are these things moving me forward? Why did this time block move forward? How was I feeling throughout the week? And then I have some time on Sundays. I spend time, thank God I have a mother-in-law who takes care of our kids. She's here. On Sundays, we get to evaluate all the stuff with my wife. Like, what are we working on? How do we feel about the things that we did? Same thing with our team. Once a month, my business team, we have a strategy meeting where we've kind of been behind. We have one on the 29th, but how are we feeling about the business?